Someone once said, "Life is the choices you make between birth and death." Each one of us has already made countless choices.
엄마한테 와야지.
Mom, Dad, Academy, Internet Cafe, cold noodles, spicy noodles, dip it, pour it.
탕수육은 찍먹.
Once again, you have to make another choice. But this time, it's a bit different.
액션?
It's probably the first major decision of your life, and your future depends on it. What is your dream?
적게 일하고 많이 벌래요.
Then, what kind of job do you want?
공무원? 근데 꼭 지금 정해야 돼요?
It isn't easy choosing a college. There are too many majors, and you don't even know what to base your choices on.
엄마!
You ask your mom.
라떼는 말이야.
That was like 30 years ago. You ask your dad.
라떼는 말이야.
That was also 30 years ago. You ask your friend.
나 재수한다. 먼저 가라.
So, you ask on the internet. Then a website catches your eye. Majors by colleges and related occupations. Wow, all the information you need is right here.
솔직히 대학은 점수 따라가는 거 아니야?
That's what you used to think.
같은 점수대 안에서도 선택지가 이렇게 많아?
Then you start to get curious.
내 미래는?
And you start to dream. Shall we explore the near future?
오, 좋아요.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. But we could go
Well, around 10 years from now, imagine yourself being recognized as an industry expert. You give the impression of being accustomed to new technologies that others are unfamiliar with. Or maybe you protect people's health and lives and have a love for humanity. You prepare for disasters and take responsibility for people's safety. You look at the future of the Earth and study natural energy. You have both the toughness needed for fieldwork and keen artistic sensitivities. You can express new lifestyles with an edgy sense. You show off your unique appeal and otherworldly talents to reach your fullest potential. Infinite possibilities await you. Now, it's time for you to make a decision.
선택했어요.
You're now at the critical moment of submitting your application. Your pupils dilate. Your heart beats faster. Your future is right in front of you. Wait. Now you check the reactions of those around you.
아, 이 자식 칭찬해.
Yes, you made the right choice. Finally, it's time for you to submit your application. Finally, you make your choice. Wait, this is not over. You've only finished making your career choice. Now, the C between your B and D doesn't mean choice, but challenge, change, chance, congratulation, cool, chicken.
그리고 캠퍼스.
Do you get the idea now? Our campus life starts right now, with a level of its own. Come on, check it out.